Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of unit number 5, the snake and the mirror, and it is written by Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. So let's begin. A. Read the following passage and select the most appropriate answer for the questions given below them. So para number 1 is, I went back into the room and sat down on the chair. I opened the box beneath the table and took out a book, the Materia Medica. I opened it at the table on which stood the lamp and a large mirror. A small comb lay beside the mirror. One feels tempted to look into the mirror when it is near one. I took a look. In those days, I was a great admirer of beauty and I believed in making myself look handsome. I was unmarried and I was a doctor. I felt I had to make my presence felt. I picked up the comb and ran it through my hair and adjusted the parting so that it looked straight and neat. Again, I heard that sound from above. Questions. Number 1. The table that the writer was sitting at was answer is B, dressing table. Number 2, what is the writer by profession? Answer is C, doctor. Number 3, the writer started combing his hair to, answer is C, make his presence felt there. Number 4, what was the writer busy doing when he heard the sound from above? Answer is A, combing his hair. Now let's see para number 2. At my slightest movement, the snake and would strike me. Death lurked 4 inches away. Suppose it struck. What was the medicine I had to take? There were no medicine in the room. I was but a poor, foolish and stupid doctor. I forgot my danger and smiled feebly at myself. It seemed as if God appreciated that. The snake turned its head. It looked into the mirror and saw its reflection. I do not claim that it was the first snake that had ever looked into a mirror, but it was certain that the snake was looking into the mirror. Was it admiring its own beauty? Was it trying to make an important decision about growing a mustache or using eyeshadow and mascara or wearing a vermilion spot on its forehead? So let's see the questions. Number 1, the writer would not move even slightest because correct option is B. In that case, the snake would strike him. Number 2, the writer did not have any medicine in his room because answer is B, they had run out. Question number 3, what was the snake doing looking itself into the mirror according to the writer? Answer is D, all of these 3. It means option A, admiring its own beauty, B, thinking about growing a mustache, C, deciding about using eyeshadow and mascara. Now number 4, what color is vermilion? Actually I couldn't find this answer, but let's see what the answer is. So answer to this question is it is a kind of vivid red and reddish orange, so you can put a tick on option D, both A and B. Okay, so your answer is D. Okay, put the answer D, option D. So next B, answer the following questions in 4 to 5 sentences each. So question number 1, what was the doctor thinking while he was seated before the mirror? So answer is, the doctor thought of various medicines he had and if any medicine was good enough to save him if the snake did bite him. He also realized that God had punished him for being so proud and arrogant. Then number 2, why did the doctor run from his house, or why did the doctor run away to his friend's house? So answer is, from writer's arm the snake slithered into his lap, crept onto the table, and then moved towards the mirror. The writer revived, got up from the chair, quietly went out through the door into the veranda, and leapt into the yard and ran to his friend's house to save his life. Then, number 3. How did the doctor show the presence of mind when he encountered the snake? Answer. The doctor showed great presence of mind on seeing the snake. He neither jumped nor cried out. He sat on the chair holding his breath. His body was still, but his mind remained very active. Number 4. What did the doctor do on seeing the snake? Answer. The doctor saw the snake's reflection in the mirror. He then went to have a closer look. He got up from the chair and ran away from the house. Then, number 5. What type of woman did the doctor in the story The Snake and the Mirror want to get married to, and why? So answer is, the doctor wanted to get married to a woman who had plenty of money and good medical practice and who was fat. The reason he gave was that if he, the doctor husband, ever made any mistake and tried to run away, she would not be able to catch him and stop him from escaping. So this was the solution of your chapter part, and we will see the solution of vocabulary and grammar part in the second part of this video. So if you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.